So guys, as you can see here, this is our new National Highway 6, and this road will be intercepting 108 guys, which leads to Aizawl. So guys, as you have seen, this is exactly the place where we are going to do mukbang guys. So just stay tuned to it and wait for our mukbang to come guys. So let us cook our spicy noodles and then we'll be back in that place right there guys. So right now we'll be going back and start getting ready so that we would be able to eat a little bit earlier guys. If not, it's going to get dark and then it'll be very difficult for us guys. We still have a long way to go guys. Reaching main road is not easy for us guys. From here, as you can see, from here, it's 5 miles to go, then we'll back with you guys. So guys, now we're going. So guys, now we are back and now we're on our way with this mukbang. So guys, we'll be back. They are back again. Yeah. Yo, these guys are back again. Bye Rula. Bye Rula. Bye bye Rula. Bye bye. Looks ka. Bye bye Tiro. Bye. We are back guys Tiro. We're back guys. We are back. Yes, we are back guys. So let's go. Let's go. Hello guys. Welcome back. To our channel. If you like our video, if you like our videos, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So guys, here we are. We have just reached our target here, right here. There's the place where I've just told you guys. This is the place where we're gonna do mukbang guys. So get ready. We're back. I give up guys. I give up bro. Please like and subscribe. Picnic. Cabbage guys, cabbage. So guys, I'm too full. I don't think I can eat anymore. So that's all for today guys. Let's end the video there and thank you guys for watching and please click and subscribe. Okay guys, now we're done guys here. There's the last shot guys. We'll be back. Bye bye. Bye bye Hule. Bye bye. So guys, we're on our way down and it's almost getting dark and see guys. Here's my bye Lola. Bye bye. So see guys, it's already getting dark. It's getting dark guys. And here we are on our way. So guys, as you can see, we're still in the middle of the jungle and it's already very dark guys. So we're heading towards our destination, which is our home, and I'm very tired and exhausted guys. See guys, we're in the forest. Guys. See guys. See those cows.